Hey foodies, welcome to Cooking Shooking. Today we are going to make some Indian style pasta or macaroni. So let us start making it. So we're going to start off by boiling some water and we're going to add in the salt to it. Next up we are going to add in some oil to it. So here I am using some canola oil, about a tablespoon or so. So now to the boiling water we are going to add the macaroni in. So here I have 1.5 cups of macaroni. I'm just adding to the boiling water. We are going to stir it really well. And we are going to boil it until it's well cooked. So our pasta looks like it's ready, so let's check on it. Although there are many ways to test it, but the best way is to taste it. Perfectly al dente, so now I am going to strain it. So for the pasta, let's heat up a wok and we are going to add in Hudson canola oil. Now canola oil is very high in omega-3 and vitamin E, which is very good for brain and memory. So about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this Hudson canola oil. Once the oil is hot, we are going to add in about a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next goes in about a teaspoon of ginger chopped, a little bit of garlic, totally optional though, and a little bit of green chili. We are going to saute it really well. Once slightly cooked, I am going to add in some onions to it. Once the onions have gone a little translucent, we are going to add in tomatoes. Generally the ratio is 1:2 for the onions and tomatoes. Now I am going to add in a little bit of salt to it. So now we are going to cook it until the tomatoes are a little bit mushy. It's time for some veggies now. So here I have about half a cup of mixed veggies. As this is going to be for kids, so you can add a lot of veggies into it. So here I have some mixed vegetables, carrots, French beans and cauliflower. Now I'm going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Feel free to add some peas, corn or any other vegetable that you wish for. Now I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of red chili paste. You can skip it totally if your kids do not like red chili paste, but I like it a lot, so I'm going to add it. Along with which I'm going to add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of ketchup. I'm going to mix it really well and cook it for another moment. Let's make it a little bit chatpata by adding about 1 teaspoon of chaat masala to it, about half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and just a touch of garam masala. Now I'm going to mix it really well and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add in the mac. Mix it really well. Time for some coriander. At last I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of this black pepper. Now it's all ready to serve. Just mix it and serve. So Indian style pasta or macaroni is all ready. So let me try it. This is totally scrumptious, so make sure you try this and let me know how this go for you. Perfect for lunch or any time in the evening. You can find the text recipe on our website cookingshooking.in. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.